Matarigla Inchulare Yanushadale. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Ini bayaga yan Pandava Caves ago pondole. Dagpanda Pandava Caves unji Parat cave system. Parat Devasthana lakka. Undu Kadri Devasthana da kaitalu. Boka Kadri Park da kaitalu. Boka yan unji sarti pondite andala must snakes ulai undu snakes ittundu. Anche ini bayage ina ase snake tikkuchi. I hope there's no snakes. But let's go find out. Actually, guys, Tulut caves the Shabda caves solo yenka gotuji. Ancha comment section de Tulut caves barle comment section de padle tak panda yan itela Tulu kaltandala bok undu posat solo yenka kalpare bodu Pandava Guha Sanskritarade Batan. So ulai pove. Jason boka vidya barundulere. Ancha tirtundu. It's changed. They completely like mukya guha da mukya pura cemented cartoon. It used to be a bare rock face. That rock right there was just curved down here. But itte cartoon laka. Wow, this is not the natural feeling I was remembering. It's all constructed. All right, I'm gonna turn on a flashlight.
Damn it. Why did they do this?
All right, we have to just make sure there's no snakes.
Snakes, no. Bats, maybe.
I don't see any snakes around here.
Okay. Is there any place where you can stand straight up? Not Jason's, no?
So this used to be like sleeping areas.
I see the mask back there. Give it a little extra light. Yeah. Huh, that's it. There's nothing back there. Ancha churu disappointment enkalega batanda dakpanda Karnataka da Sarkara da clue must tourism board panda e jaga pura whitewash maltere pura made it nice looking, but it doesn't look nice. It kind of ruined the original aesthetic of an old cave. So it include Kadri Park pondala. Boka Kadri Park da posat kodi undu. Boka Alpa Kadri Park undu. Alpa yan pondale. Boka Mulpa Karnataka Ondu Raja Halavu Jagatugalu. One state, many places, many worlds. Anda mini ಒಂದು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಹಲವು ಜಾಗತಗಳು 다에게 ಒಂಜಿ ಭಾಷೆ 다에게 ಒಂಜಿ ಲಿಪಿ ಸತ್ಯ ಇಜ್ಜಿ. So I agree, one state, that makes sense. But why not at least make the second part true? You know, promote many languages, promote many places. Then they can make the real tourism slogan a reality. Just a thought. Itte Kadri Park, the entrance mutte. Okay, et malla kodi undu kosattu kodi kartundu. Bocca Baia da Bolpu must edde tujundu. ಭಾರತದ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನಾ ಭಾರತದ ಜನಗಳೆಂದ ನಾವು ಭಾರತವನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸಾರ್ವಭೌಮ. Okay, complicated language. Oh.